Chandini Views welcomes you all for the online class. A vibrant and colorful morning to you all children. Today we are going to see an interesting topic in today's class. Class 2. Subject is EVS. In EVS we are going to see a social science part. Lesson number 2. And the topic is domestic and pet animals. So, the animals that you can see in this picture are known as domestic and pet animals. That is, that animal we can grow in a home. We can keep it as a pet animal. They are known as domestic and pet animals. Let's see about them briefly in today's class. Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are fine with your good health. Do you know my name? Yes, my name is Cow. Have you seen me anywhere? Some would have seen me in your house. Some would have seen me in the roadside. Do you know why did I came here today? We are going to learn about the domestic and the pet animals. I am going to tell about them briefly to you. Let's go to the field. Domestic and pet animals. Introduction. The creatures which walks on four legs are called as animals. So we the human beings are walking with the two legs. Likewise, the creature that walks on four legs is referred to as animals. Some animals will live in the forests, but we domesticated animals will be in houses or in the fields. Yes, most of the animals used to live in the forest and in the wild areas, but few animals can live with us in the home or in a field works. So these kind of animals are referred as domestic animals. We are called as the pet animals or the domestic animals. We are very useful for the human beings in many ways. So, the pet animals and the domestic animals, it is used to grow with us in our home or the nearby places. So, it is useful for us in our day-to-day life. Let's see them. First, we can see about the cow. Domestic and pet animals. Now we are going to see about cow. The cow is an important domestic animal. So, in villages, there will be a cow in their home as a domestic animal. So, what it gives? It gives us milk and it eats grasses. So, it will be in a black and white color or it will be in a brown color. It gives us milk. See this picture. It is what it is giving. We are taking away the milk from the cow. So early morning we are used to drink a tumbler of milk, right? So where we are getting this milk? We are getting those milk from the cow. Cow's milk is easily digestible. It will be like a liquid, white color liquid. So it can be easily digestible. That's why as soon as we are getting up in the morning, we are taking a milk. It gives us energy. So in the morning, we are taking a milk in a fresh stomach. So it will boost up our energy. Now we can see about the she buffalo. Domestic and pet animals. She buffalo. So this is the she buffalo. Mostly it will be in a black color. It also gives us milk. The buffalo gives more milk than the cow. So the structure of the buffalo is stouter, that is it will be more fatty than the cow, and the milk also it produces more in quantity when it compared to the cow. We can prepare curd, butter ghee, cheese and some kinds of sweets with the help of these milks. So how we are getting curd? We are getting curd from the milk. Then with this curd we can get a butter. If we melt the butter, we will get it as a ghee, and if we have refrigerated it, we will get as a cheese. So all these are known as a dairy products, that is the things that we can separate or get from milk is known as a dairy products. In sweet also we can do with the help of these dairy products things. This milk gives us energy. Yes, this milk also, the buffalo's milk also gives us a good health and energy. So cow also produces a milk and buffalo also produces a milk. But the buffalo's milk is thicker and it will be more in quantity when compared to cow's milk. And also the color will be different. The buffalo's milk will be in a the buffalo's milk will be in a white color and the cow's milk will be light yellowish color. Now we can see about the bullock. Domestic and pet animals. Bullock. Yes, so the bullock is used to carry the loads. It also comes under the variety of cow. See how it is taking. This is known as the bullock. That will be it will be having a two wheels on left and right side, and there will be a storage space to carry things. The bullock belongs to cow's family. So I have already told you bullock also that belongs to the cow's family. Buffalo also that comes under the cow's family. It is used to till loads and to pull the carts. So it is used to carry the loads and it also used to till the land. That is, we can use the bullock in the fields of agriculture while we are planting the crops. On goal, Andhra Pradesh breed is the wonderful one. So among those bullocks, the breed that is from Andhra Pradesh will be the best one. Now we can see about he buffalo. Domestic and pet animals. He buffalo. Buffalo is one of the most useful animals for humans. So this is the buffalo. It is also useful for the animal and it is known as he buffalo. It is also useful for tilling the land and for pulling the carts. So the she buffalo gives us milk and the he buffalo is used to till the land. That is, it will be used to till the land when in the agriculture field when we before plant a crop, and it also carries the carts, that is it carries the loads from one place to another place. Now we can see about the pet animals. First we can see about the dog. Yes, this is a dog. So dog is known as the faithful animal and it is one of the most beautiful pet animals. Domestic and pet animals. Dog. The dog is the most faithful animal. Once you will be get closing to the dog, it won't leave you. Then it will be longing for you. When you goes out for a walk and as soon as you return, what it will do? It will run and come to us and it will try to catch us because of the love, it owns towards us. So it is known as the most faithful animal. The dog protects our home. So what for we are keeping a pet animal dog in our home? To protect our home. If anyone unknown person comes, what it do? It automatically starts barks. So it tells us that someone unknown person has came to us. Like that, it is protecting and safeguarding our home. That's why the polices use the dogs to trace the criminals. So it is a faithful animal, and it has a well breathing it has the well ability of breathing the smell, so it can identify the criminals easily. That's why the police is training the dog and is used in military also. What for? To catch the criminals. The dog eats the meat. So what it take as a food? It eats a meat, and the bone part it will eat. The bone parts of the meat will be eaten by the dog. The dog's bite is very dangerous. So it will grow like us. After a particular stage, it starts to bite. So we have to do a injection for that. If we injected the dog, it won't get that furious conditions and it won't bite. If you get that bite from any of the dog, you should treat as soon as to the doctor, and you should get well, because it is very dangerous for our health. We can see about the cat. Domestic and pet animals. Cat. So cat is one of the cutest pet animal that we have ever. The cat proofs. It used to prove us with its nails. So it takes milk and rat's meat. If there is rat in your house, what it will do? Yes, it will catches the rat and eat, because cat and rat are like enemies, and it also takes milk as the food. Cats loves to drink milk. It can see well even in the dark. So its eyesight is very powerful. Even in the night time, it can able to see clearly. We can see about the goat. Domestic and pet animals. Goat. Goat is one of the most useful pet animals. Likewise, the cow. It gives us wool, it gives us milk, it gives us meat. It is helpful in so many ways. The goat also gives us a milk. Yes, goat also gives us a milk, but we rarely use that milk. But it also gives a good strength for our body. Its milk is also good for our health. Now we can see about the sheep. Domestic and pet animals. Sheep. Sheep is a variety that comes under the family of goat. It is similar to goat but will be different in appearance. Woolen clothes are made of its fur. Fur is nothing but its skin. That is, the upper layer is known as fur. So once we can take it after the death of the sheep, the woolen cloths will be made. The leather belts and the leather shoes, it also used to make those things. Some people eat meat of goat and the sheep. So the meat of the sheep is also taken as a food by the peoples and the animal. It gives us strength. We can see about the horse. Domestic and pet animals. Horse. Horse is the fastest animal for riding. So it is used to carry things, and it is used in the ancient time for the in a war time. It is used by the king. The horse is used to pull the carts and to travel for longer distance. For longer distance also we can use horse to take a travel journey because it has more energy and it runs fast. We can see about the donkey now. Domestic and pet animals, donkey. So donkey is also used to carry the loads. The donkey is useful for carrying the loads. Some people has rabbits and deer as their pets. So some kids they like the rabbits and the deer. They used to grow these two animals as their pets in their house. So rabbit it will be a smaller in size and it will be available in white color, black and brown colors, in also a mixed colors. So it will be cute to see and it likes carrots to eat. So rabbits like carrots to eat. Deer is also a cutest animal. It also has a dots in his body. So it has two long horns. Now we can see about the pet birds. First, we can see about the hen. So, we not only have the animals as a pet, but we can also have a birds as a pet. Now, we will see one by one. Domestic and pet animals. Hen. So, this is the hen. Hen comes under the variety of birds. So, it gives us egg, which is good for our health. The hen's egg is a healthy food for us. So, eating an egg for thrice or twice in a week helps you to increase the protein level in your body. Its meat is also a food nutritious. Yes, some will have hen as their food. It is also gives us a good immune system and it boosts our immunity power. The place where more number of hens are kept is called as a poultry farm. So we can grow the hen in a number that is we can grow many hens. All the hens can be grown in a one place to get egg and its meat. That place is known as a poultry farm. We can see about the duck. Domestic and pet animals, duck. So we can see the duck in the water bodies like lakes and rivers. Mostly it will be in the lake side. The duck swims in the water. So what it do? It will be swimming in the water. It eats small insects present in the water. So as it is living in the water, it will eat the small insects that present in the water. Other than that, it used to eat the grains also. So we can have duck in our house also. Some people eat the meat and the eggs of the duck. Yes, duck also it lay a egg. It is also good for health. So its meat also can be eaten by the people and the animals. We can see about the parrot. Domestic and pet animals, parrot. So parrot is the one of the beautiful bird and it is also known as the talkative bird because it can able to talk what we teach the parrot. If you are teaching to say hi, it says it hi, but you have to practice it daily. That's why parrot is known as the talkative bird. The parrot has a red curved beak. So you can see the beak in its face. It will be in the red color with a curved shape. It is green in color. It's look beautiful. So other than the beak, all the body color will be in a green. Its wings also will be in a green color. We can teach the parrot how to utter some words. So I have already told you, if you keep on practicing, it used to say the words what we say. These birds can speak those words. So hence it is known as the talkative bird. Parrot is known as the talkative bird. We can see about the dove. Domestic and pet animals, dove. So dove is known as the symbol of peace. It will be in white in color. What for it is known as symbol of peace? Because it is so soft in nature. So if there is a war between the two countries in ancient time, what they will do to stop the war means they used to flow up the dove. So it refers that if the dove is flown or sent by the kings, it is the representation to stop the war. So dove is considered as the symbol of peace. The dove can fly for the longer distance. It can fly for too longer distance. In ancient times, the letters will be tied up with the legs of the dove and it will be sent as a messenger. In olden days, people used to send the letters with the doves. We have to take care of these animals and birds as they are useful to us in many ways. These are all the domestic and the pet animals. Do you have any doubt? So what we have seen today, we have seen about domestic animals, pet animals and pet birds. So revise these lessons regularly and revise the portions again and again. Hope you understand about it. See you in the next class with the most interesting topic. Until, keep revising again and again the domestic and the pet animals. Bye children. Take care. Thank you. So I hope that you have enjoyed these lessons. Go on revision regularly. Thank you. Take care.